Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. This will be just a quick unboxing of a slightly banged up box that arrived today. I'm surprised normally FedEx doesn't, boxes arriving from FedEx don't look this way. But this is it, right after this. This video is sponsored by PCBWay.com. Not only does PCBWay offer high-quality PCB services, which include standard PCBs, they also offer advanced PCBs, flexible PCBs, and PCB assembly. You can upload your Gerber files and select the options according to your needs, including SMD stencil and assembly services. On the top of the page, you can make your selection. PCBWay also has CNC machining, sheet metal cutting and bending, 3D printing and injection molding services. You can choose from a vast variety of materials. You can upload your CAD file for an instant online quote, including the selection of your preferred material and surface finish. They also offer anodizing of aluminum parts in different colors and surface treatments. You can get sheet metal fabrication and laser cutting, 3D printing services, and cover your injection molding needs. PCBWay is your one-stop solution for hobbyist and professional manufacturing as well. So, like you guessed it, this video is sponsored by PCBWay.com, and let me see what we got. Okay, the box is banged up, but as you see, it is safely packaged, and here we see all the goodies that do arrive. So you see this foam, and since these are just PCBs, they are perfectly safe how they arrived. So we got a small present, PCBWay pen, and we have some stickers. And I saw this on the picture before it got shipped. This is something of a PCB logo. Also nicely wrapped, as you can see, and this is it, PCBWay. I assume it is 3D printed, and it's a nice logo. Let me see if we can go into detail here. I really don't know. I have to find out if this is 3D printed or I don't know. So anyway, and here we have the PCBs. I almost cut my finger. And even they are, as you see, nicely wrapped PCBs. And this is, I talked to you about the last video where I made the video of the single tube Nixie tube NTP clock, and this is a 4 Nixie NTP clock, and so 5 PCBs there, and then we have another 5 over here. Also nicely wrapped. I mean, somebody's sitting there and wrapping these by hand, so not just putting them into a bag and shipping them. And this is the front, and they do look Awesome. I like it. So after I built this and verified that I did not screw up on the schematic somewhere, I will make a video and you will be able to download the PCBs, or actually order them from PCBWay and make your own. This is how it will come together. Here I have a Nixie tube. Let me try to put this in there real quick. Doesn't go that quick. I have to look around the phone. I think I'm gonna spare you this. Anyway, it goes in there. So this is another Nixie clock. It is, what was it, 20 by 50, I think, millimeters. Yes, 50 by 20 millimeters, and the depth we will see how it turns out. And yeah, I like this. I like the quality as always on PCBWay. Top notch, as you can see. There is something different. Normally I do 2-layer boards. On this design, however, I could not get it to route with 2 layers because I have those really wide tracks for the 170 volts that are on here, and this one is also using the T-Micro32 ESP32 module and this high voltage module, which will go over to the back. I think it was, yes, on the back. And the chip, the multiplexing chip, goes on here. So I might make a video on how I solder this and put it together. If you're interested, please let me know. If you don't want to see it, I don't make the video, as simple as that, and show you the finished product. But if you are interested, please do let me know, and I will make a video of that. And I really do like this. It has 2 buttons, on off obviously, and it has a run and upload switch. Normally you have to pull a pin low to upload the code, but it's always a hassle to connect the wire and then change it or whatever, unplug it. So I put a switch on here. I just put it on upload the code, and then I switch it over to run, and that's it. And if I ever need to upload code again, I can just switch it to the upload position again and upload the code. Since this does not have a USB serial chip, that's the way to do it. Otherwise you have, of course, 2 transistors doing the switching so you can upload code. But since this is just a clock, you will only need to upload, well, once I finish the code. Obviously I don't have the code yet. I have the single Nixie tube code, obviously, since it's running. What was I gonna say? So I have to edit the code for 4 Nixie tubes, and that takes time, and then the uploading and switching to run is really useful for me. Other people might do it different, but we'll see. And I cannot wait to finish this up and present you. I didn't see any smaller one with 4 IN70 Nixie tubes. I don't know, it's something I always try to make as small as possible. I don't know why. I could have made this instead 50 by 20, 30 by 60, and have it route easily and whatnot. But I don't know, I'm just trying to make it as small as possible, giving the space dictated by me by the Nixie tubes. So here it was really, I mean, you see it's almost as big as the PCB, as tall as the PCB, and they fit in there. I have also two LEDs that will go here in between, same LEDs as I used on my, let me show you, on my 4-digit Nixie tube kitchen timer here. You see the LEDs, and so I cannot make it any smaller without having smaller tubes. So this is the smallest I could make it. And obviously, since I have the ESP module, the high voltage module, and the multiplexing chip, I needed to make as a 2 PCB design. So anyway, if you're interested, you can hit the subscription button and hit also the notification bell. And if you do like my work, you're free to sponsor me by either buying something in my Tindy store, link in the description, or buying something through my Banggood affiliate link in the description, or you can donate via PayPal, link in the description, or you can even become a Patreon to buy me a coffee every month, for example, link in the description. So anyway, and thank you to all the people that do support me. I greatly appreciate it, and I talk to you on the next one. And thank you PCBWay for this. I wonder if it's glow by night, but I don't think so. That would be nice if it would be glow by night. Anyway, this is it. Thanks for watching and take care, everybody.